Have you ever thought about how nature likes to arrange itself in patterns in order to act efficiently? Nothing in nature happens without a reason. All of these patterns have an important reason to exist, and they also happen to be beautiful to watch. By studying patterns in nature, we gain an appreciation and understanding of the world in which we live and how everything is connected.
Hello everyone, I am Aldrich P. Ilyoran, and I will be showing you the different kinds of patterns found in nature. But before that, let's define pattern. Pattern is a thing that is repeated or recurring arrangements, form, or design following a rule or sequence. Now that you already know what is pattern, let's find out what are the different kinds of patterns found in nature. First is symmetry. It is a pattern that shows a reflection of images. There are two kinds of symmetry, the radial symmetry and the bilateral symmetry. The radial symmetry is a symmetry that forms around a central axis. On the other hand, bilateral symmetry is a concept that two opposite sides have identical features.
A human body, an eyeglass, an animal, calamansi, and the human eye are examples of symmetry.
Second is fractal. It is a pattern which repeats progressively at smaller sizes and angles.
Clouds, water drops on leaves, branches on trees, ferns, and branch-like structures imprinted in leaves are also examples of fractals.
Next is spiral. It is a pattern which moves around a central point and is continuously widening.
The fingerprint, the mosquito coil, whirlpool of water, the nautilus shell, and waves are examples of spiral patterns.
Lastly, tessellation. It is a pattern that repeats figures closely fitting together with no gaps in between.
The chessboard, the flat tire, cement wall, hard plastic fence, and the design of these floor mat are examples of tessellation.